Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can export things from Figma. So it's pretty simple. In order to export anything, just click on the object. Then at the bottom of the right panel you will find export. Just click at the plus icon. And now as you can see, it has selected the rectangle one, which is also the name of the object we have selected. And now if you want to see a preview what it will look after exporting, you can just click on the preview button, and you can also give a name to this object from right here. Let's say test1. And now what also you can do is change the size of the object you want to export. For instance, I will take 3. And you can also change the format in which you want to export them. For example, PNG, JPG, SVG or PDF. Let's go with JPG. And after you're happy with all the selections, just click on export and then just select a location and just save it. And now if you go back to the location, as you can see, the object has been exported. And now if you open the object, you can also see it is 3 times bigger than its normal size because we increased its size from here. So that's how you can export images from Figma. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.